Here I have Dongfeng Box, and let me show you how to enable and how to disable the obstacle distance display. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here, let's open the apps icon, select here the AVM. From the following view, let's use this settings icon in the upper right corner, and here you can enable or disable the obstacle distance display. I've got this feature enabled right now. So if I go here and put my car in reverse, I see the distance between the car and the obstacle. It's 127 centimeters. But now if I use, let me park my car, if I use this configuration button and disable the obstacle distance display and put my car in reverse, I see the lines of the obstacle distance, but I don't see the exact number. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.